The funny sound effects in this anime are countless. For example, this kind of surprised sound effect. Let's separate it with a moment of silence so it doesn't mix with other sound effects. Even the sound effects for character movements vary depending on the story's context. Let me show you the difference. Wait, I'll try removing the vocals to make it clearer. But why does it have to be different? What makes the context different? The first one is when her friend is teasing and bullying Shamiko, who is crying. The second is when Momo is sneaking around to surprise Shamiko. Because here's what happens next. Yet again, a different surprise sound effect from the earlier clip. And this time, it's an expression of extreme shock. This locomotive-like sound effect often appears when Shamiko starts losing her temper. The sound is really funny, right? Of course, there are many more. Even in just one episode, there are so many different sound effects depending on the situation in the story. For now, there isn't a copyright system for sound effects, mainly because it's complicated, especially for sound effects with a duration of less than 1 second. Imagine if the sound of footsteps had copyright, or if the sound of a subscribe bell had copyright. This could cause all videos on YouTube to face copyright issues. But for now, let's see what other funny sound effects we can find from this anime.